Goa Football Association is proud to be associated with this match. This has been a very noble gesture on the part of John Paul II Foundation for Sports, wherein Kerala Legends, some of the top names who have represented India from the state of Kerala, and some of the top names from the state of Goa who have represented India, will be playing a match on the 29th of this month at 6 o'clock at Duler under floodlights. Goa Football Association appeals to the people to please come and watch some of the best names that we have seen in the world of football from Kerala and Goa. More because we will be able to see these players once again live, and also keeping the objective in mind, that is to raise some funds for the disaster affected people in Kerala.
People could buy tickets that are going to be available at Angley and at the stadium and different places, that even if they don't come for the match, I mean, we want all of them to be there for the match, but also that they could contribute as their humble donation for this cause, which is very, very important. 200 and 100 rupees, okay, in the middle where we have the VIPs and all sitting, that is for 200 rupees. The side stands will be on 100, and the other side it's 100.